Hey, what's up guys? LearningPitStop here. So today I'm going to go ahead and explain a little bit about web components and why they make sense from both a business and a security perspective. So from a business perspective alone, basically what web components allow for is for developers to break up portions of a website, and they're able to implement them across all of their use cases basically, and implement them anywhere using the same package. So and they're able to do all of this basically without the use of a framework, which basically makes them virtually future-proof. So overall, along with that, I mean, they function almost as Lego bricks as far as for developers. And going into a little bit more with the security perspective, so as far as they function with how they improve security is, a lot of times what causes a vulnerability within websites or programs is complexity and anomalies along with that. So the simplicity of web components basically allows a developer to implement the same program and the same code across all their different websites, and that creates a simplistic environment, which certainly helps along with that, which is one step closer to a more secure organization. Along with that, there's also consistency. So it is the same component that's being implemented across all of your websites. It's not different for each one. So you know exactly when you have a search box, you know exactly what how that search box is running, and it's not going to be different for per every website. So along with that, developers are also able to kind of on more of their time side, if you have to implement 50 different search boxes across different websites, of course you're not going to be able to spend as much time in a single program. So what you're able to do is spend more time creating the best product and put that out, and the best product is going to be one without security vulnerabilities, and that's going to allow you to implement the same consistent and the best product across all of your web pages using the same component. Um, and I'd say finally, and the most important part, that the reason why it helps with security is because looking at it from, I mean, security breaches do occur, and when they do occur, a fast acting response is extremely important to make sure that not too much is stolen, as well as limiting damage and filing service level agreements. And so if you're able to get your entire development team working on fixing maybe the component that's been exploited, you can have your entire team fixing one, and then you can push that out. You don't have to fix 50 individual components across all your web pages. You're able to fix a single component, which really helps with speed and transition through that difficult period. Um, Along with that, I mean, overall, from a business perspective, web components make sense as far as financially. You're able to develop a single thing and recreate it. I mean, that's just that's the same process that's been used in manufacturing, and it really helps along that route. So overall, I think we're all very excited to see where web components go. It's used across a multitude of different platforms right now, but just some examples is Comcast, as we can see here, is using some of web components, as well as Electronic Arts uses web components itself. So these are being implemented, and it's important to that over the years we'll see how far it will go, but I think we all can predict that it'll become highly popular. So if you have any questions, hit me up. Thanks for watching.